Difference between two dates in Python. I have two different dates and I want to know the difference in days between them. The format of the date is yemdd. I have a function that can add or subtract a given number to a date. Where a is the date and x the number of days I want to add. And the result is another date. I need a function where I can give two dates and the result would be an int with date difference in days.
Use to get the difference between two datetime objects and take the day's member.
Another short solution.
You can use the third-party library dateutil, which is an extension for the built-in datetime. Parsing dates with the parser module is very straightforward. Answer based on the one from this deleted duplicate.
I tried the code posted by Lastmans above, but there are a couple of problems. 1. The code as will throw the error as mentioned by Mogera 2 if you change the code to the following. This will convert your datetime objects to strings, but 2 things. 1. Trying to do D2, D1 will fail as you cannot use the minus operator on strings, and 2. If you read the first line of the above answer, it's stated you want to use the operator on 2 datetime objects, but you just converted them to strings. What I found is that you literally only need the following.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.